The phone's ringing.
I think so too. Somebody's not happy with us for some reason.
It's gonna.